Alright. So, Vincent, take a look at the board really quick. Alright. So in this activity, you're writing a personal FAQ for your portfolio at the end of the module. The FAQs will be simple. You need 10 questions about your college or career choice and provide simple answers to the questions. We are also going to read one another's FAQ guides tomorrow. Okay? So you will need to make your answers to your questions accurate, helpful, clear, and concise. Remember, FAQs are resources that help people understand problems and gather info that helps solve problems. Okay? So example FAQ. All CSUs have the same application deadline for the fall term. The application deadline is blah, blah, blah. Okay? So when is the deadline would be your question. How much money will I make if I want to be an auto mechanic? Kyle? There's one question for you. How much money will I make if I want to be an auto mechanic? Okay? You'll put your answers. You've picked 4 topics, right? Whether it's fine. Huh?
What do you think, million? Wow. I'm going to be an auto mechanic.
Do you think that says million, Ryan?
No.
Yes. It was going to be like, you need to go see Miss Good.
Probably.
Boys. Okay. So you've picked 4 topics, whether that's I have no idea what I want in my career, to financial aid, to blah, blah, blah. You're researching all of those right now. Okay, now that you've developed your websites, your topics, you're now going to dig even further, and you need 10 questions. Okay? So, it's personal. It's for you. So if every single one of your questions is about FAFSA, financial aid, do that. If every single one of your questions is about, I have no idea what I want to do with my life, that can be all 10 of your questions, okay? Figuring out what you want to do. Someone who does not know what they want to do with their life, okay? If you want to be a teacher, what do I need to be a teacher? Every single FAQ from undergrad to teaching credential to BITSA, which Kara will find out about when she researches. Okay?
So do we just continue and just write down more questions?
Yes.
Okay.
So, did you submit that one, the 4 topics?
No, I just been thinking of more questions.
Okay.
I'm on 6. So do I just submit it now?
Yeah, go ahead and submit that just so I know that you have it done. And then start. Your answers to each of your questions should be well developed and concise and clear. If you give me just one sentence that I can tell you did not try, then I'm going to mark you, I'm going to grade you like you did not try. Okay? Any questions? Kyle.
So we turn in the 4 topics.
Yes.
And then we finish the rest and turn them again.
Well, right now it's just your 4 topics. You don't have to have answers to every, if you have a question or whatever.
All right, did that.
Okay, well then you're ahead of the game. If you've done 4 of those, then you've got 4 questions and answers. You only need 6 more to develop your personal FAQ. Alright, Kyle?
So what do I turn in?
Right now, just turn in what you have for your 4 topics, and then the websites you'll be using. Okay? This is a different activity. This is your actual personal FAQ. So, by the time that you're done, it should look like that FAQ guide that we went over. It should be a layout that is nice with a title, okay, written by you, the date. Does that make sense? So you'll need to have that done by probably 9 o'clock tomorrow, and then we'll review each other's. So get started on that now. If you need to do it for homework or whatever, go ahead and get working. Okay, but I'll come around to each one of you and make sure we've got it all under control.
Wait, so activity 20 is due by class tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, like 9 o'clock probably. Alright, so then we can review it in class. If you're working from home, you have to review 2 other people's online. Okay? Got it?
Yep.
Alright, again, your personal FAQ guide must have 10 well-developed questions and answers about your topic. Okay?
Well, when you mean well-developed questions, like, what's a bad question?
I'm more concerned about your answer.
Oh, okay.
If you say, like, if it's, how much money will I make if I want to be an auto mechanic, and you just put $43,000, that's not a well-developed answer. Okay, I want it to look like this. Model it as this. Okay? you know what your personal FAQ is going to be?
What is that?
Yes, but for you personally, what do you want it? Do you want it to be? What you need to know to be a cosmetologist?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe you go to business. Interesting. Okay, cool. So you have it under control. You know what you're doing. David, business owner,
Not Vincent, but
barber. So your thing is gonna be personal or FAQ guide for future barbers.
Correct.
Okay.
What conditions, what programs?
Perfect. Vincent, dental hygienist, right? Okay. So your personal FAQ guide will be what you need to know to be a dental hygienist. 10 questions, maybe schooling, money, okay? What does the job entail? How many hours do you work? Do you have benefits? All those types of questions. Got it? Okay. Kyle, do we need to work one-on-one to develop your main? Okay. Monty, are we gonna go with something more like FAQ guide for?
I just picked
You picked one of those career fields.
Picked a career. And
Okay.
just named off.
Okay. So now you have 10 questions that you'll be answering about that career field.
10. I thought I did.
You were doing 4 topics in general.
yeah.
So one of those was your personality assessment. One of those was, I think you were looking at.
Wait,
I was looking at things that branched out.
Yes.
Wait.
So that's one of your topic is personality assessment, right? And then I think you did jobs that match your personality. Your third topic was maybe which job did you pick specifically?
I just did agriculture.
Okay, so maybe you said what is an agricultural engineer, and then your fourth topic is money. Okay, that was all you're doing for topic. So now you're developing an FAQ guide for people who want to be an agricultural engineer, for instance. Okay.
Wait. So our 10 questions have to be based on our 4 topics.
No, that was just helping you figure out what you want to do your FAQ guide on.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know what you want to do your FAQ guide on?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Wait. Actually, please. Wait. What do you mean?
You sure?
Wait.
So you're going to develop an FAQ guide, right?
Yeah.
For you. What do you want to do your FAQ guide on?
You mean like all my 4 questions that I?
No. Your FAQ guide is 10 questions with 10 answers. Caitlin's is, what do you need, FAQ guide for future business owners. Okay, so all of her 10 questions are going to be about being a business owner. All the questions she has about what it takes, all that stuff. David's is about FAQ guide for barbers.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay,
Vincent's is dental hygienist.
Okay.
Kira's is FAQ guide for students who want to become a teacher. Okay?
Can I do my FAQ as like a Google Slides?
Totally. However you want to present this.
Okay, that makes more sense now. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Grant, what are we doing, bud? I got you. Hold on. What's your FAQ guide going to be on? What is your FAQ guide going to be on?
It looks like I'm going to be on like actual careers that you can pursue.
Okay, so your FAQ guide is for students who maybe aren't sure what they want to pursue.
Yes.
Okay, or career interests that you were interested in. Okay.
So, like, just one.
Yeah. So, were you writing